Ali, have you heard about our friend's condition? It's really worrisome.
Yes, Abdullah, I'm aware. It's truly unfortunate. We should do something to support our friend during this difficult time.
You know, Ali, I believe visiting the sick is a sunnah. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught us the importance of caring for those who are unwell.
That's true. I remember hearing about it. The act of visiting the sick brings comfort to their hearts and shows them that we care. It's a beautiful way to express our love and compassion.
Absolutely, Ali. It's not just about physical presence, it's about lending a listening ear, offering words of encouragement, and praying for their recovery. Our friend needs our support in every possible way.
Indeed, Abdullah, I believe we can create a positive impact on our friend's well-being through our actions. We should plan a visit to the hospital and spend some quality time with them.
That's a great idea, Ali.